You are doing home care facial treatment. My product is Atomy. This is the foam cleanser. I have toner. I have night cream. And I have peeling gel. This is my product. So now we're gonna start how to do facial. So I need uh, this makeup remover. First, get a 2 cotton buds, your base, clean your eyes. Just you have put a makeup on everything, and to clean your lips is going inside, just to remove if you have a lipstick. So you need to just wipe going inside that. You can wipe your lips just like that. All the lipstick is gonna go here and spread in your face. So that's the proper way how to remove your makeup and lipstick. Okay, and now we're gonna use our deep cleanser. This is the deep cleanser. We're gonna cleanse first, so just get this small amount, and I have a little bit water in here. Then we just spread in our base, just a little bit amount, and just keep put water and just do it in your base. And maybe I need to get more. Okay, and just spread it. Okay, this is how you cleanse. Here at the bottom, going up, and here at the forehead. This is what called we do ourselves. This is a home care facial. So if you know how to do it, you don't need to go to the salon or to the spa. You need to learn by yourself. Do it by yourself. Just spread the cleanser all over your face. This is to cleanse. And after we cleanse, we need to use a warm towel, wet warm towel, to remove the products in our face. As we can see, it's all spread already, so we're gonna use a warm towel and wipe it. Okay, now it's a big difference. Now we can have the assessment. Because my face is dry, after shower we observe our face are dry, our skin so dry. This is good. Before you go to bed, do it and leave the cream in your face. Okay, now it's clean, and now we're gonna put a cleanser to exfoliate our skin. But I want to try this peeling gel. So we're gonna put this peeling gel in our base. Just spread it. This is cool. This is nice. This is the peeling gel. Okay, and try to massage in your face. Spread all over. Like that. Making sure you spread the product. This is help you to smooth your skin, to fill up dead skin, to prevent dryness. Okay. And after that, we need to leave for 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes. Wait for 5 minutes or 3 minutes. Is that good enough? Right? Just wait. Okay. 5 minutes is done. We need to get again another warm wet towel. So we're gonna cleanse it. Cleanse it. Okay. Now it's all clean. You can see it's a big difference, right? My face is being brighter, a little bit brighter than when I started. Sometimes women need to take care of ourselves, right? For the busy day, work hard here and there. So we need to do this just to take care of ourselves. Okay, now we do need to steam our face. Sorry, to steam our face. Just wait, and you see the difference after you cleanse, after the exfoliant. Now it's feeling smooth, and now we need to steam our face to prevent dehydration. This is a good help. So now I have a steamer. We'll do that for like 10 minutes, right? This is a good benefits to open our pores. We'll wait for 10 minutes to steam. We'll see the difference after.